Hi and welcome to the 8th in a series of tutorials showing you the features of Google Drive. And in this tutorial I'm actually going to show you again another amazing thing that you can use Drive for. Now we've been looking at creating documents, and if I click on the create button there's the things we've already looked at: folders, documents, blah 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 blah. But there's this option at the bottom to connect more apps, and Google Drive can actually connect with other cloud-based or online applications which you can then use to do work, and then you can save your work in those applications within your Google Drive area. So let me give you an example of what I mean. If I click connect more apps, it takes me to the Google Chrome web store, and this is an example of some of the apps that I can connect to Google Drive. So I've got things like Pixlr, which is a really neat image editor, Balsamic, which is for doing kind of iPhone and iPad apps, a floor planner app there, which is really nifty as well. So some of them may not be particularly useful. Let's just have a look at Pixlr, and if I just click connect, then bang, straight away Pixlr is connected to Google Drive. And now if I go into the create button, Pixlr editor is there. I load that. I need to give it permission to access my account, which is fine because obviously I want it to be able to do that. And then we wait for that to happen, and we'll wait for a minute, and then I think we'll pause that and wait for that to finish and start it. Okay, so there we go, it's connected. Okay, now, and you can see now what I've got is actually quite a nifty little app here. It's an online photo editor, and I'm not going to go through how to use Pixlr now. It's something you might want to experiment with, but what that basically means is anytime now I want to save a piece of work in Pixlr, if I want to do some online image editing, if I haven't got Photoshop or something, photo editing tools on my computer, I can open an image or create an image. Let's just do that, an untitled, just call it test, just to quickly show you what I mean very quickly. Test, and then if I just do a very simple gradient, there we go, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to save that, and there you go. It gives me the option to save it in Google Drive. Click OK, and hopefully in a minute that's saved. And if I go back into Google Drive, there is test. That's the image I've just created using Pixlr. So that is another amazing feature of Google Drive, that it will actually connect with other apps and allow you to integrate them into your Google Drive experience. So we've had a look at a couple. Why don't you try looking in the Chrome web store? A lot of them, there are some very good ones with full functionality which will connect brilliantly to Drive and give you the ability to work even more powerfully using online tools.